In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate an Atome card. This process is straightforward and ensures your card is secure when you no longer need it. First, launch the Atome app from your mobile device. Having the app on your phone makes it convenient to manage your card settings whenever necessary. If you've not used the app recently, you might be prompted to log in. Go ahead and enter your credentials. Remember, keeping your login details secure is crucial to protect your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Card option. This section allows you to view and manage all the cards linked to your Atome account. From here, you'll want to tap on CVV and Settings. This option provides access to various settings related to the security of your card. Next up, choose the specific card variant you wish to restrict. You may have either a physical card or a virtual card, or perhaps both. Selecting the right one is important because it ensures you're managing the correct card settings. Now toggle the status button to lock. This is a crucial step as it stops all future merchant authorization requests immediately. Locking your card is a quick way to prevent unauthorized transactions, providing you peace of mind. If your intention is to completely close out the account line and permanently destroy the card, it's important to note that you'll need to submit a formal request to their support team. Before doing so, make sure to clear any outstanding balances, installments, or buy now, pay later billing obligations. This ensures a smooth transition and avoids any future complications. After that, navigate to the Me tab in the Atome app. This section is your personal hub within the app where you can manage your profile and account settings. From there, select Support and then click Chat with us. Alternatively, you can fill out the digital ticket on the Atome Help Center. Either option connects you to the support team who can guide you through the permanent termination process if needed. For those who prefer a more formal approach, you can also send an official email declaration to support@atome.ph. Clearly state your request for the permanent termination of your card. This step ensures that your request is documented and processed accordingly. By following these steps, you effectively manage your Atome card security. Remember, deactivating or locking your card is a vital measure to protect your finances. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Atome's support team. They are there to help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay safe and manage your finances wisely.